Good day fam, and welcome to my channel. It's your girl Kanye. If you're new here, this is where I post hair, makeup, vlogs and lifestyle videos. And if that's the kind of content you're interested in, please do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a tip I recently learned, and it is life-changing. Trust me, you'd want to get your hands on this one. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, this tip that I wanted to tell you about, I was mind blown. So I'm just gonna give you guys like context or background on how I got to this. What happened is that so first things first, I am a braids girl, I am a straight back girl, so I like doing protective styles on my hair. But then the problem is that my hair itches so much. But I went on the internet, I'm like, how can I stop this? How can I reduce this? What can I do? And everywhere guys, apple cider vinegar, everywhere. So I'm like, they are onto something. So I tried it out. I tried apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to be showing you in the next clips how I used it on my hair and all of that. So let's get to it. Okay, so guys, I went on, this is apple cider vinegar I got from my nearest store, this one. And then what I did, I used a spray bottle, and then I put half and half, not actually half, I think about this much of apple cider vinegar and then that much of water. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna spray this on my head, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 20 minutes. Yeah, for 20 minutes max. So I will be doing that. So let's get to the video. Okay, so guys, as you saw in the video, that after 20 minutes of waiting, after applying or spraying the apple cider and warm water solution into my hair, I waited for 20 minutes, and then after 20 minutes I went on to wash my hair, shampoo, condition, and after that I used all my moisture routine, adding all my oils and all of that. So I am recommending that you use apple cider vinegar when you want to reduce itchiness on your scalp, on your hair. It worked for me because I used it on my hair on Monday, and today is Thursday, so 3 days later, and the results are amazing. It did not completely stop it. As I said, you could see it's a way of reducing. So do not expect that you're gonna use apple cider vinegar and it's gonna stop completely. It's gonna stop. So it reduced my itching, and I think to about 80%, and for me that is good because I don't scratch my hair as much as I do. I don't do like this as much as I did. So for me it's really good, and I recommend that you also try it at home as well. Try it. It's easy, it's quick, it's on the go. You don't need a lot of things. You just need your apple cider vinegar, your warm water, your spritz bottle, your wash day product, and then you're good to go. So I hope that you really like that video, and I hope that you do take this advice, and I hope that it works out for you. Please let me know down in the comment section if you've tried it before, if you'd like to try it, and so on and so on. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, to like, to comment, share as well, guys. Let people know that the girl is here, she's around. And I will be seeing you in my next video. Mwah.